Starting around 02 September 2023, torrential slide in a real sense is exchanging at $9.87 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.15% in most recent 60 minutes in opposition to prevalent thinking. Avax in a real sense especially has a sort of complete market cap of $3,490,180,462, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $103,781,502, which sort of is very huge in a significant manner. This, especially in a real sense, makes torrential slide Avax genuinely positioning at 20 in the cryptographic money market in a sort of enormous manner, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide especially basically be in every practical sense? Lovely worth in 2023 in an unpretentious way, which is very critical. Is torrential slide an especially wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2023 in a fundamentally genuinely huge manner, in spite of mainstream thinking? Will Avax cost really outperform its record-breaking kind of high in a decently exceptionally large manner? These sort of, for the most part, are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future in a by and large quite huge manner. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost basically for the most part is supposed to basically cross a sort of normal value level of $14.49. The normal truly least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the very essentially current year ought to fundamentally certainly be $13.85, which essentially is very critical. Besides, Avax can generally arrive at a really most extreme value level of $16.26, which all things considered is genuinely huge. Avax value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide by and large is determined to fundamentally be at around a truly least worth of $12.11, showing how torrential slide Avax value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Avax cost explicitly basically is supposed to commonly cross a very normal value level of $14.49. The normal certainly most certainly least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to basically be $13.85, which especially is very critical in a for the most part huge manner. The torrential slide value worth can fundamentally arrive at an especially limit of $13.77, with the typical exchanging worth of $13.39 in United States dollars, which certainly is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide Avax value gauge September 2023. The torrential slide Avax cost for September 2023 may for the most part arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $13.14, while the in every practical sense sort of greatest estimated cost essentially is around $14.30 in a genuinely quite huge manner. The truly normal cost for Avax truly is in a real sense for the most part anticipated to by in large reach $13.65 in September 2023 in a fundamentally extremely significant way. Torrential slide value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide fundamentally is supposed to in every practical sense truly be at around a very least of $13.29, showing how starting around 02 September 2023 torrential slide especially most certainly is exchanging at $9.87 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.15% in especially sort of most recent 60 minutes, which especially sort of is very critical, which basically is very huge. Torrential slide cost can in every way that really matters truly arrive at a sort of limit of $14.85, with the very most certainly normal cost of $13.93 in United States dollars, which explicitly truly is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the decently in every practical sense most extreme cost for torrential slide could quite stretch around $15.55, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking in a very large manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Avax in November 2023 basically is $13.57, with a for the most part really normal cost of $14.20, which by and large is very critical amazingly. Torrential slide value expectation December 2023. Torrential slide cost in a real sense is supposed to, in every way that really matters, reach between $13.85 to $16.26 in December 2023. While the extremely normal cost of Avax for the December most certainly remains around $14.49, torrential slide vary past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been truly diminished by 0.29% in its sort of especially current worth, which sort of is genuinely critical in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the event that we certainly explicitly look at the actually by and large current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in every practical sense most certainly is likewise down in an extremely huge manner. Torrential slide generally fundamentally is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with entirely other crypto coins, which actually explicitly is very critical. The Avax essentially is down to nearly 1.75% in the actual sort of most recent 7 days, which entirely is very critical. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for most certainly past truly lovely few days. The coin could entirely all goals and purposes have major areas of strength for exceptionally in any case. We don't by and large figure that it would a beneficial resource in fundamentally essentially transient in an actually by and large enormous manner, which is genuinely critical. Inside the extremely most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax generally certainly diminished by 53.518%, taking out an astounding quite normal amount of $11.37 from its sort of truly current worth. So these essentially fundamentally are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future in a really significant manner in every practical sense. Large way. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin most certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a genuinely decent truly purchase a potential open door for extremely speedy venture, exhibiting how in a real sense is torrential slide a genuinely wise speculation, or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change by and large truly is near 44.50%. And the cost truly flowed from a truly least kind of typical cost of $16.54 to fundamentally greatest especially normal cost of $18.27 in the very beyond 90 days, or so they generally thought, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide actually certainly is somewhere near 18.27%, with the sort of greatest actually most certainly normal cost of the coin sort of most certainly was around $11.78, and the especially least by and large normal cost of for the most part was around $11.56 in every way that really matters, lovely beyond 4 months in a very for the most part significant manner in an unpretentious manner.